Good morning. Now we are going to discuss about planning in principles of management. According to Kuhns and O'Donnell, planning means thinking ahead and making smart decisions based on clear goals. It helps choose the best steps to reach a goal by carefully considering all possible actions and their results. This is what actually they said. It is a thoughtful process where decisions are made based on clear goals and careful consideration of actions and outcomes. It's about deciding the best steps to take to achieve a purpose. And next we move on to nature and purpose of planning. Nature of planning. It is goal oriented, which means planning is done to achieve specific aims or targets. Primacy of planning. It is the first step before any other management task begins. And pervasiveness. It means everyone in the organization from top to bottom does the planning. Efficiency, economy, accuracy. Good planning saves time, money, and effort and gives accurate outcomes. Coordination. Planning brings together different departments and tasks to work smoothly as one. Limiting factors are plans are made by considering available resources like time, money, and manpower. Flexibility. Plans can be adjusted if something unexpected happens. Intellectual process means planning needs smart thinking, analysis, and good judgment. These are purpose of planning. It is to management by objectives. It sets clear goals for everyone to work toward. To deal with uncertainty, planning prepares the business for future problems or changes. To reduce costs, it helps choose the best, most cost-effective method to reach a goal. To improve coordination, it helps all departments and employees work in sync. To improve control, planning sets the standards so managers can check if work is on track. To improve effectiveness, it helps the organization do better by focusing on results. These are features of planning. That means the main characteristics of planning. Primary functions is it is the first and most important job of management. It is a mental activity, means planning involves thinking, not physical work. Goal focus. It starts by setting objectives, goals. Involves choices. So we have to pick from different options. It is a never-ending process. It's a continuous process. Plans are reviewed and updated regularly. Universal. Every department and level of management needs to plan. Classification of planning. So planning is classified into two types. Those are based on what is planned, which is called content, based on content. Second is based on time period. So based on content, it is again classified into strategic planning and tactical planning. Strategic planning is it is a big picture planning for the whole organization's future. And tactical planning is detailed steps to implement strategic plans in the present. Second further classification is based on time period. It is long-term planning, which means if the planning is for more than 5 years, focuses on shaping the future. Medium-term planning refers to 2 to 5 years of plan, helps to achieve long-term goals, whereas short-term plan refers for less than a year, handles daily or weekly tasks. These are the steps involved in planning process. First, perception of opportunities, which means understand what chances are available in the future and how the current situation looks. Move on to establishing the objectives, decides what you want to achieve clearly and specifically. Considering the planning premises, think about the conditions or assumptions like market trends and policies that may affect the plan. Identification of alternatives finds the different ways to reach our goal. Evaluation of alternatives compares each option's pros and cons, advantages and drawbacks. Choice of best alternatives selects the most suitable option. Formulating supporting plans creates sub-plans like budgets or schedules to help implement the main plan. Establishing sequence of activities arrange tasks in the right order for smooth implementation. Thank you, and this is all about definition of planning, nature of planning, purpose of planning and features of planning. Also we have discussed the classification of planning and planning process. So thank you one and all.